Okay, so example number 3. This time we have an arithmetic sequence that involves decimal value. Starting with term number 1, the common difference is negative 1.5. If I'm to come up with the first few terms, starting from 4.5, the next number would then be a 3. It dropped down by 1.5, it dropped by another 1.5, it dropped by another 1.5, another 1.5, another 1.5, another 1.5, and the list will go on forever. We want to come up with an equation for its general term. And on the previous page, we saw the formula to come up with this general term. You can find the equation for your general term starting from term number 1, and you will keep adding the same patterns again and again, which in this case is a negative number times it by n by minus 1. As you open up the bracket and group like terms together, you will be able to get negative 1.5 n plus 6. And this will be your formula to calculate any terms in your sequence. Some people like to start with the constant first. Instead of having negative 1.5 n plus 6, they like to have this as 6 minus 1.5 n, which will give us the same answer anyways. If you want to find term number 1, that means when n equals 1, when you are dealing with one term only, when n equals 1, then 6 minus 1.5 times n would then give us 4.5. That's your first term. If you want to find the fifth term, that means when you have term number 5, if n equals 5, then we can substitute n equals 5 into this equation, and 6 minus 1.5 times 5 will then give us term number 5. If you want to find the 10th term in this sequence, that means I will now substitute n equals 10 in this equation. And as I work it out, 6 minus 15 will give us negative 9. You can also come up with this answer by making a graph. Setting up your questions like y equals mx plus b, you can have n equals 1, n equals 2, n equals 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. I need a bigger graph. 7, 8, 9, and 10. We are starting from 4.5. So let's say I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Starting from 4.5, which is here, second term would now be done by 1.5. So I end up getting a 3, and I end up getting 1.5, and I end up getting a 0 for the fourth term, and then negative 1.5, negative 3, negative 4.5, negative 6, negative 7.5, and eventually we will have negative 9 for the 10th term. If you can draw this on a graph paper, you will be able to identify the 10th term in this way by graphing. But of course, you can always set up an equation and do it algebraically. This is what we will try to do in grade 11.